This JTS Mortgage Minute is brought to you by JTS and Company Mortgage Brokers.
Welcome back, everyone. Jeff Farnham joins us now with the JTS Mortgage Minute. Jeff, good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you, Bill.
We've talked in the past about VA mortgages, but today let's go a little more in depth in the VA streamlined refinancing. Now, how does refinancing through the VA differ from a regular refinance?
Well, you know, it's really a great program for our veterans, and then a lot of veterans don't even know it's available to them. But under that streamlined program, it's an opportunity to come in and lower your interest rate, maybe even shorten the term up some, and what we call a streamlined process. So it's done without a lot of the red tape and the underwriting processes that you normally go through. In some cases, we can even do it without an appraisal. We really look at the mortgage history, see where you're at there, and with rates being where they are, you know, it's really a good opportunity for our veterans to take a look at it. But it's strictly for veterans. Now, you could, and if you've got a current VA loan, we can do it under the streamline to another VA loan. If you don't have a VA loan, we can refinance you under traditional underwriting guidelines. But if you've already got an existing VA loan, we can do it under the streamlined program for you.
What are the requirements to qualify for this?
Well, you know, we look at the mortgage history. Like I said earlier, in most cases we can do it without an appraisal, but we look at the mortgage history. If you've been current on it and your credit scores are in line, then you can, usually that's the underwriting criteria is looking there. Sometimes, depending on what's in the credit file, we may go a little deeper than that, but as a general rule, look at that mortgage history. If there's been no lates on it in the past 12 months, then you typically would qualify for that. So you're able to come in if you're at, 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. I mean, I talked with someone the other day, they were at 10% on their interest rate, was able to come in and pull that down to a VA loan and really save a lot of money by doing that.
If someone wanted to get started today, what should they do?
Yeah, give our office a call and we'll walk you through the process. It's all going to start with an application, whether you do that online or you call our office or come by the office and fill one out. We'll analyze your situation, let you know what's available to you before we really go too far, show you what kind of monthly and even long-term savings you're going to have. And we're seeing people saving, hundreds of dollars a month on their payments and thousands of dollars over the term of their loans and shorten the term up, by 10, 15 years in some cases. And it really just makes a lot of good sense because it's going to save them a lot of money by doing that.
What are the current rates for a VA streamlined refinance?
Well, if we go into the 15-year, we're going to be in the low 3s, and did one the other day just under 3%. If we're in the 20, 25, or 30-year terms, we're going to be in the mid 3s to low 3s there as well. So they're very, very attractive rates right now. I feel like that's going to hold out. Certainly up until election time. After that, the markets, I'm sure, will react, however, but we're really not seeing any major rushes, so plenty of time to get it done before the end of the year if you want to try to save some money.
All right, good information as usual. And of course, let's remind everyone that if you missed last week's program, you can always go to JTS Facebook page, or you can call them at 329-9090 or visit their website at jts-co.com. Jeff, good information. Good to see you.
Thank you. Good to see you, Bill.
All right, we'll take a break. Come back with more in just a moment.